Hi, take a look at this code snippet. Let's read the comments together and then try to find what's wrong here. This method is intended to retrieve a specific employee's salary. It receives the employee ID as an argument and returns the salary according to that ID, written by Oranapu. And then the next comment reads, open connection to DB and get salary. Now, why are those comments problematic? For two reasons. The first is that what they are saying is either what's already written in code, like what the method does and what arguments it receives, or it is completely useless, like who has written the method. So that's the first problem with the comments in general. They are redundant noise. They just repeat the code, and there's no point to that. The code already says what it does. The second problem with the first comment, and with comments in general, is that they are lies waiting to happen. Imagine someone gets a task to change that method to also receive country ID as an argument. Most chances are they won't even read the comment, let alone change it. And so what we'll get now is a lie. The comment says the method receives an employee ID as an argument, when it actually also gets a country ID. Let's look at some other examples. What does this code do? You couldn't understand it without the comment, so we must have a comment here, right? The answer is no. What we should do is write better code. Give the function and its arguments proper names. This way we won't need a comment to explain it. Here's another example. What should we do here? Again, use a better name. This will make the comment redundant. So, before we sum up this lesson, I would like to quote Robert Martin, also known as Uncle Bob, which in his book, Clean Code, expresses a very clear opinion about the use of comments. And this is what he says. The proper use of comments is to compensate for our failure to express ourselves in code. So, there you have it loud and clear. Comments are redundant as long as we write clean code. So, to sum things up, we saw two problems with comments. The first is that they are noise. They repeat the code. And the second is that they may become wrong and misleading. The solution is simple. Remove them and refactor your code to make it clearer. In fact, in a sense, a big portion of any clean code course could be titled How to Not Write Comments in Code, because comments are usually a way to compensate for poor quality code. And that's the basic thing you should know about comments in code. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Check out the full course, link in the description below.